Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diandra Helva Zeti. So today in this video, I would like to share with you a fascinating study that explores how integrating collaborative story writing into an extensive reading program can transform English language learning for university students in Indonesia. So the study is conducted by Anita Kurniawati Hadianto from Universitas Kristen Satyawacana, investigates how a post-reading writing project can enrich both the reading and writing skills of English as a foreign language learners. So extensive reading or ER is a well-established approach in language education that encourages students to read a large volume of easy and enjoyable materials, aiming to cultivate a love for reading and improve language proficiency. Traditionally, most follow-up activities in ER programs focus on supporting reading skills alone, such as book discussion or vocabulary exercises. However, this study highlights a crucial, often overlooked aspect: reading can also serve as a powerful stimulus for creative and imaginative writing. In this project, students were grouped and tasked with collaboratively writing a short story about 1,000 words, and at the end of their ER program, throughout the semester, each student read at least 1,250 pages from graded readers, noting new vocabulary and sharing their discoveries in class. Each group then selected 10 new words to use in crafting the opening paragraph of their story. This paragraph was reviewed by another group for feedback before the story was developed further, with guidance from their instructors. Students, for their part, found the project enjoyable and rewarding, though not without its challenge. They appreciated the opportunity to work with peers, share ideas, and negotiate the direction of their stories. This collaborative process helped them develop not only their language skills, but also important soft skills such as teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Some students mentioned initial difficulties in merging different ideas or agreeing on plot details, but most felt that these challenges ultimately made the project more meaningful and memorable. Additionally, students valued the chance to share their finished stories with classmates and junior students, feeling a sense of pride and accomplishment and seeing their work read and appreciated by others. The study also highlights the importance of integrating creative, student-centered projects into language program. By connecting ER with collaborative writing, educators can create a more dynamic and holistic learning experience, one that supports not just reading comprehension, but also writing fluency, vocabulary development, creativity, and social interaction. The project serves as a model for how language teachers can design activities that are both enjoyable and educationally meaningful, helping students become more confident, competent, and motivated users of English. So in conclusion, this journal provides a valuable insight into how reading and writing, two essential language skills, can be meaningfully connected in the classroom. Rather than treating reading and a passive activity and writing as a separate skill, this project shows how one can naturally lead into the other. The collaborative story writing task allowed students not only to reflect on what they had read, but also to transform that input into something original, imaginative, and personal. This process supports the idea that language learning is most effective when it is interactive, creative, and relevant to learners' own experiences and interests. What makes this study especially impactful is how it promotes ownership of learning. The students weren't just reading because their teacher told them to. They read to discover, to get ideas, and to be inspired. And when they wrote, it was not just for a grade, it was for communication, for self-expression, and for sharing with their peers. The peer review element also helped create a sense of audience and accountability, making the task more meaningful. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.